Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set indicators in IQ option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to the chart. So iqoption.com/trade room, sign into your account. Now we can doesn't matter if you're using a real account or a demo money, but anyway, get to whatever charts you want to add indicators on. So I'm on this USD JPY Forex. Now to the left, bottom left of this chart, we've got some options here. So we've got chart type, etc. But then we've got an option here to click on the indicators. Now we've got indicators here. Below that, we've got added, most popular, momentum, trend, volatility, moving averages, volume, other. So you can go ahead and add in any one of those indicators. So if I hover over popular, if I want to go ahead and add Bollinger Bands, I'm going to click onto that. Now we can add some basic settings here. So period, deviation, colors and display. We can muck around by all that, but I'm just going to click on apply, and you can see here I've added Bollinger Bands to my charts.